Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be swatching my top 3 favorite lipsticks, and I'll also be showing you and talking about them. A lot of you have asked me of it before now. I'm excited to be sharing that with you guys, so if you're interested, please watch this video to the end so you could see all of that. So if you know me before now, especially those of you from my Instagram, you know that I love pigmented lipsticks. You know that I love colored lipsticks. The reason why I love pigmented or colored lipsticks is just because they suit my skin color, and again I've got dark lips. That's why I love them. They complement my skin, so that's just the reason why I choose colored lipsticks. So guys, I'm going to be swatching all 3 lipsticks. One is from MAC and 2 is from Mary Kay. The first lipstick that I'm going to be showing you is MAC Ruby Woo. Every girl loves MAC. Every black girl loves MAC Ruby Woo, except you don't know about it. This is every black girl's all-time favorite. Me, this is my all-time favorite lipstick. I love how pigmented this lipstick looks. You can even wear it either by lining your lips or by wearing it like that. This lipstick has less oil in it, making it a matte lipstick. Since this lipstick has less oil, you can moisturize your lips before wearing this lipstick because it has very little oil in it. So I'm going to try that on my hand, the back of my hand, so that you guys can see what this looks like. So that is what MAC Ruby Woo looks like. I got this lipstick for 10,000 naira in MAC store here in Nigeria, and that's about 26 point something US dollars. If you're in US or in the diaspora, you can get this lipstick for less than that amount. Guys, please ignore any mistake I might be making in this video, because I'm not a makeup artist. I'm actually makeup challenged. That's why most of the time you rarely see me wear makeup. I only wear my lipstick and that's it. So guys, ignore every mistake. I'm not a makeup artist, so I'm just going to try my best to show you guys my top 3 lipsticks. That's what this video is about. Please don't come for me in the comment section, I beg you in God's name. So you guys know I rarely wear makeups in most of my videos, but you always see my lips painted. That's because I love lipsticks, and secondly, I'm makeup challenged. So guys, I'll go ahead and swatch this to show you guys what it looks like on me. I may not have done this well, but this is what it looks like. I'm just here to show you what this lipstick looks like on me. So this is what it looks like. I actually moisturize my lips a bit before wearing this. So this is what it looks like on me. So guys, my next lipstick is Red Roma in the number 9R10 by Mary Kay. It is a matte lipstick. I love how this lipstick glides on so well, as you can see. So this is what this lipstick looks like. To me, I think it's the same thing as MAC Ruby Woo, or what do you think? Let me know in the comment section. You can never go wrong with pigmented lipsticks, especially if you're makeup challenged like me. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. I'll go ahead and swatch this lipstick to show you guys what it looks like on my lips. Please guys, ignore every error. Ignore any error. I'm actually makeup challenged, and you guys already know this from the beginning of this video when I told you guys. So I'm not an artist. So this is what Red Roma in the number 9 out of 10 by Mary Kay looks like on my lips. I love how this glides so well. It glides so well more than MAC Ruby Woo. This particular lipstick, you can wear it even without moisturizing your lips, because I think it's so smooth. I feel it's creamy, so I love this. I got this lipstick from Mary Kay retailer here in Nigeria for 6,000 naira, and that's equivalent of 15.77 US dollars, $15.77. The last lipstick that I'll be showing you guys is Rouge. I don't know if I've murdered that. That's what I can see here. I would do well to put that on the screen so that you guys can see what I'm trying to pronounce. Rouge Red in the number 7K18 by Mary Kay. This is what this lipstick looks like. I'm going to apply that on my hand so that you guys can see. This lipstick is a cream lipstick. It's actually super creamy. It glides on so well. It has a little bit of shine to it. I feel this lipstick is wine. Is it just my eyes? I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Do you think this is red or wine? I also got this for 6,000 naira from a Mary Kay retailer here in Nigeria. Also the same price as the other one, 15.77 US dollars. That's the equivalent. This lipstick is very easy to apply, so I'll go ahead and swatch this so that you guys can see what it looks like on my lips. You guys think it looks so cool? The application is super easy and it's super creamy. What do you guys think? This looks so good. Suits me, right? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Did I also mention that this lipstick glides so well and is super creamy? Did I mention that? It has a little bit of sheen to it. So guys, that's all for today's video. Please let me know in the comments if you would love to see videos like this, and please let me also know which of the reds you prefer on me. Also, please do well to share with me your favorite lipsticks in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching up to this point, and also for watching today's video. Please do well to click that bell icon below so you could be notified each time a video drops on my channel. Most of you complain that you rarely get alerts of my videos. That's because you did not turn on that bell sign. If you turn it on, you will definitely get alerts of my videos. Kindly turn on the bell icon so that you get alerts of my video each time a video drops on my channel. You will definitely get alerts of my videos if you turn that bell icon on. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys and I love you all so much. This channel is all about natural hair, beauty, lifestyle, skincare, name it. Guys, I've always been doing videos on natural hair and forgetting others. I'm going to do my best to share videos on beauty, skincare, and also lifestyle this November. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye guys.